In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate CV or a resume template. Maybe you've gotten a job and you don't know how to start with a resume, or you have not even prepared a resume before. This video, I'm going to show you how you can generate a simple resume template using ChatGPT and then convert it to Microsoft Word. Now, this is what we're going to do. You can go to chatgpt.com, or you go to chatgpt.com. Now, if you have not registered, you can register. Now, this is what we're going to do. So we're just going to give ChatGPT a prompt that it should generate a template for us to use for our CV. So let's give it this command. All right, so now the ChatGPT has finished giving us a simple template that we can use to edit for our resume. Now, this is what you get. So you can see, you see your name and then your information below it. So where you can see the various sample text holder, you have to put in your real information here. So as you scroll down, you see a lot of them here. So what I'll do is that I will just copy this thing. So let's click on copy. Now when you copy, then if you have Microsoft Word, so you can launch Microsoft Word. So you can also use Google Docs. Google Docs is a free word processing application that you can use. All right, so now I have Microsoft Word here. So let me open a new or a blank document. Now, if I open a blank document, what I'll have to do is that I will just have to paste in what I copied. So this is what I've copied from ChatGPT. So now if you have this template, I think it will make it very easy for you to get ready-made CV or resume. So here, we're just going to edit it a little. So you just have to clear the information that you don't need. So where you see your name, you put your name here. This is our job title. So maybe my name is Frank Chum, and then my job title or specialization maybe IT specialist. And we have the various contact information and other stuff. But what you don't have, or the information that you don't need, you can just eliminate it from here. So here, your profile or your summary. Please kindly take off these emojis from there. All right, so your profile, that is a short engaging sentence highlighting your creativity, unique strength. So this is just a template or a guide that can help you. Now after you are done, you can also come to your experience, your job title, where you have worked before, the year or the month. You can describe your responsibilities over there. So it goes on and on. So we have another section. Maybe if you have a different working experience, you can also express that here. If you only have one, you can just maintain one or even make it more. And then also here talks about project. So if you have any project or portfolio, you can also highlight all these over here. Now if you go down, you can see education. So over here, you can put up various schools that you attended, colleges that you have. You give out more information about it. Now if you also have some skills, you can also explain your skills over here. All these things are temporary holding data, but you can change it to your own data, as you can see. Then we have award and recognition. It's an optional. So if you don't have anything about award, you can just eliminate that as well. Here it talks about personal touch. So your favorite creative influence or inspiration. I mean, it's a section that you can also take it off if you don't need it. So that is it. So we just have to clear this. At the end of the day, we have been able to generate a resume. So feel free, and adjust it. Feel free, enhance how you want your resume. At least this will give you a stepping stone for you to a CV for yourself. So maybe you don't know about how to go about CV. With this just template, you'll be able to do that. Now feel free, let me know in the comment section if you're having any challenges. If you have any question, you can put it out there. Now don't forget to share this video if it has been very helpful. Then share also for others who doesn't know how to start a CV or a resume. Get a sample of it. See you in the next video.